I try to explain to you what is our center. And we are together, Jamel Elal is my colleague. I am the director of Science Center. And so I need help to translate with my colleague because my English is very, very bad. So, what is our center? Science Center, or Centre Science in French. Okay, we are here, Orléans. Okay, and our center is a regional cultural center of about scientific and for the public to translate what is scientific laboratories to translate to the public. And our center belongs to the national network of different science centers. So in France we have 30 different cultural center. Our center is a research center. We are a territorial pole of reference on our region, and we are a certified science and culture innovation by the French Ministry of Research. So this is the official mission. From the different science centers in France, and our main mission consists to promote exchange between the scientific community, you, and the public, different public, school, large public, any association, and different teacher, for example. And it's important to exchange, to promote exchange between science and the public. So, in this way, Science Center continue use different technique and different object, different solution to promote science and in the community and for the public. So we need business, financial. We need support. So in our centers, the support is Centre Val de Loire region, the Europe, and the state, the French Ministry of Education and Research, to make different action in the region. This is different objective. So the principle is to share the scientific and technical knowledge developed in the different laboratory in our region, but in all in France, for example. And it's important, you explain, to attain awareness about science amongst the young people, school, and it's very important to translate for the youth public what is the scientific research in the laboratories. So it's different objective, and the partners, laboratories, for example, industry and agency, different teacher association. It's all community, cultural structure. We are partners of Science Center. So, different action to explain you. In France, we have the Science Week, and we are a coordination of the Science Week. The name is Fête de la Science. And so for ATHOR's project, it's important. We design different exhibitions, and we are making different exhibitions to make traveling exhibitions about the region and in France, and so sometimes in a different country in the world. So I show you different exhibitions, and what is the concept for us? The concept is interactive exhibition. It's we have like exhibition different panels, but we try to make objects, experiences, manipulation for the young public, for the public, to provoke questioning and a scientific approach. For example, we show you 3 examples now or after. For example, it's an example to show unbreakable glass with a manipulation will be made with Saint-Gobain, for example. So in our exhibition, the first interactive exhibition, its first question is questioning the public, the young public. So in our panels we have text, and we exhibitions that favor aesthetic graphic and simple text. It's difficult for the scientific to translate with a simple text, but we try to translate for you.
We have the same issue. We have to find the keys to understand, to help people to understand. So we have short text, short text, and when it's interactive, we used to say in French, quand ça fait du bruit, que ça pète et que ça sent mauvais. How to translate?
Funny activity.
Yeah, fun activity that we use our senses. So ears, the touch, the eyes. So this to prove that it's unbreakable. Just here, you use to make noise. You use to hit something. So we understand that's unbreakable. But the next step is why. And so you use text. You use doctorate, PhD students to explain, and that's why we think we have a good way to make an exhibition about ceramic and refractories with you.
So different. For ATHOR's project, the idea is to make a traveling exhibition, to present this exhibition in different country, in different industry, in different university. So our specialty is to make lightness exhibition. For example, just 3, 4, 5 boxes, and to present in different country this exhibition. For example, here it's in Poland with the French Alliance. About an exhibition about sand, for example. So different. To make exhibition, we need scientific information. So we are going in different laboratories to see different experiences, and we try to transform in experiences for the exhibition and for the manipulation.
Yeah, there is different steps to understand. We need to have the basic keys, the basic science, and then if the people understand the basic science, we hope they can understand the main issue of your research, and that's why we use simple experience, but also we can show them some
steel, for example.
Échantillon, I don't know.
Simple.
Yeah. And understand why just something grey, it's important for you, and why it is a real research stack to find. So first we have to explain the basic science, and then we can show the real science technology issue that you are working for. Sorry.
So we have different collaboration with different exhibitions. UNESCO for biodiversity, and we make different exhibitions with different museums in Europe or in different countries in the world. Chile, Thailand, Germany, London.
And you just see that there's a lot of discipline, chemistry, mechanics, physics, thermomechanical, and we like to mix all of them, because this is not a scholar exhibition. That means we don't want to teach something, but we want just to create questioning, to help people to have question. We can't explain everything in a small exhibition, but we hope that people have more questions, and then they will go to ATHOR net, sit internet, or maybe ask to PhD students or something like, just to start. This is a start, a teaser to help young people and maybe students to choose a scientific approach and career.
So different example, Grains Game, it's an exhibition about grain, and for example, it's one table, different panels, different manipulation experiences about sand, grain. So another example of biodiversity. So you can see here the different panels and the different manipulation.
We found a
2 minutes.
We used to make exhibitions.
We're not sure the time so much.
That's also scientific contest, but also society. We make them because people want to understand and choose maybe their career, and maybe there are some. We talk about the climate change and how to explain climate change without explaining what is a climate.
So for example, objects about industry, different objects on the table to explain different topics. So you can see different presentation, different exhibition on water, for example. It's to show you what is a traveling exhibition. So for example, here in London, about mathematics and art, color, and this design, what is the design in the industry, and science movement. It's the last exhibition. So it's the storage and our building. So for ATHOR's exhibition, we try to varying production tools, current research in refractories, and we try to give a modern image of the industry.
That means for us to explain, this is industrial. We use a lot of technology of new science, and we don't try just to make something sharp, sparkling. We need to explain what is different science, what you are doing, why this is not just something we use, just old-fashioned, well, like Maupassant. Sorry for the French reference, but.
So we think that this exhibition with 12 or 15 topics about the different research, and we need 2 years to design the exhibition, and after to make the traveling exhibition during 2 years, and 2020 and 2021. It's an idea. So I am clear?
Okay.
Excuse me, my English is very bad.
I think we will come back to discussion about this exhibition with special meeting in order to discuss more deeply in this area. Nevertheless, if you have some question, one question, but you are really very late already.
So after it's important for us to make a small groups
Yeah.
to exchange about different topics to make the exhibition.
Okay, thank you.